The scientific name of the busy lizzie, also known as balsam, sultana, or simply impatiens, is Impatiens walleriana. It belongs to the genus of jumping herbs and is assigned to the family of balsamins. Actually, it is a perennial plant, but in our country it is usually cultivated as an annual. The busy lizzie is a very perennial and herbaceous plant in growth. It can reach a height of up to 30 centimeters. Heights of 70 centimeters have also been described, but this is rather the exception. This plant has simple, alternate leaves that can grow up to 6 centimeters long. On the underside, the otherwise mostly dark green leaves can develop red to pink spots. The shape ranges from lance-shaped to elliptical, and serrations appear on the margins. The flowering period is between May and October, with the number of flowers increasing during the summer. Depending on the variety, the flowers can be single or double. The full range of colors is possible here. Thus, the busy lily comes in red, purple, pink, orange, white and pink. The flower is flat, has 5 individual petals and grows about up to 4 centimeters wide. Being a jumping herb, the busy lizzie has fleshy capsule fruits that burst open at the slightest touch and disperse the plant's seed. Originally, the busy lizzie is native to the tropical mountains of East Africa. Numerous hybrids are available for our native gardens. They prefer a semi-shady location. Direct sun is detrimental to this perennial bloomer. If the location is chosen too dark, fewer to no flowers will form. On a terrace sheltered from the wind, facing north, east or west, the busy lily thrives particularly well. However, it does not tolerate temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius, so it should not be planted in the open bed until after the ice saints. The busy lizzie is best cultivated in pots or window boxes. However, they can also be planted in beds or as ground covers. As a rule of thumb here, however, the smaller the pot, the better. If the roots are close together and have little space, the lizzies will bloom all the more diligently. Young plants can be grown from the seeds of the busy lizzie. This is done in March with a sowing in potting soil. At up to 18 degrees Celsius, the small plants should find a place on a windowsill. Since they are light germinators, the seeds should not be covered with soil. A permanent fertilizer should also be avoided. Only a light dose of liquid fertilizer, which is administered every 14 days with the watering water, is quite sufficient. If it is filled varieties, they can also be propagated from cuttings. This is best done in late summer or spring. The busy lizzie was introduced to Europe from East Africa in about 1880. The scientific name, impatiens, means impatient. This was derived from the bouncing seed pods. The epithet, walleriana, is due to the discoverer of this flower. The English missionary Horace Waller, who lived from 1833 to 1896, described the busy lizzie for the first time. In Switzerland, this beautiful flower is also called Suaferli because it has an increased need for watering.